If you're a content creator, whether on YouTube or social media, you need to use some green screen memes from now and then to add some humor and creativity to your content. And of course, incorporating these such memes makes your videos stand out and appeal to a wider audience. Additionally, it's a surefire way to increase your engagement and grow your following. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to show you the best 10 free resources to get green screen memes to take your video to the next level. Now let's begin with the first resource for today. That is an amazing Instagram account that says I green screen things. Instagram account contains huge amounts of green screen memes for different topics, for different situations, as you observe. Trending memes. So you can use all these green screen memes in your meme video, educational, entertainment, and so on. And of course, all these green screen memes are for free without any copyright nor watermark. Thus, all you have to do is just you can select your favorite green screen meme according to your content and your video topic, like this one, for example. Okay, then copy the link of this Instagram post. Following that, head over an amazing website that's so-called saveinsta.app, where you can download your Instagram video for free. Then paste here your link, download, close it, download your video. That's it. So the first resource to get green screen memes from this amazing account on Instagram, iGreenThings. And quickly, let's move on to the next website for today. That is tenor.com. It's one of the biggest search engines. You can look for amazing GIFs and memes. And of course, tenor.com contains huge amounts of green screen memes, as you see, such as for John Travolta and for Japanese and for entertainment and so on. Thus, you can select your favorite meme, like this one, for example, this confusion one. Okay, and then you can select your format as you like HD GIF or MP4 video. Either you can click over this video or this GIF, right click on your mouse, and save video or save image directly to your device for free without any watermark. And the third website quickly for today, that is gfycat.com. It's an enormous website that's packed with a huge amounts of memes and green screen memes for different topics, for different situations, as you see. Then all you have to do is just you can select your favorite one, like this one, for example, and download it. That simple. Save video as. And let's move on to the next website that's so-called greenscreenmemes.com. It's a from name just for green screen memes for content creators, for YouTubers, and for social media creators. Then here you can find in the homepage of greenscreenmemes.com different sections like video library, the huge and the complete and the comprehensive library here on this amazing website. Or just you can head over directly to the top 100 trending memes, green screen memes. Therefore, let's try it, top 100. And here you can find the best trending memes at that moment, like this one, okay, and this one for Cristiano Ronaldo, The Rock, and so on. Then you can select this one, for example, from Breaking Bad TV show. Then simply click over this button that says download your video directly to your device without any watermark, without any hassle. And the next website quickly for today, that is creatorset.com. Creatorset.com. It contains a wide range of visual assets for content creators, from animated logos, icons, memes, and green screen memes. Then to get these green screens, just you can go to the homepage of creatorset.com and head over assets sections and go down a little bit to green screens, click over it, and there you can find over 1,000 green screen memes for your topic and your ideas to add some hilarious moments within your content and your video, as you see. Thus you can select any one of these beautiful memes, like this one for example. Okay, and then click over this button, download your green screen meme. And to your knowledge, you can remove this background, this green background, easily with a click of a button in any website or on editing software, and I'm going to show you how to do that easily shortly in this video. And now we can move on to the next website quickly, that's so called getmemetemplates.com. Get amazing green screen memes that you can use for free in your content and your videos. And here you can find some compilations and collections of these green screen memes, trending green screen memes, like this one, this one, and so on. And as you see, these videos from YouTube. However, you can use them for free without any copyright. All you have to do is you can download this video, crop this video to select your favorite meme using any software or online website. And the next website quickly, that is Gephi.com. It's the most popular website for GIFs and memes of any kind. And of course, it contains a huge amount of green screen memes, as you see. Therefore, you can download them quickly and simply. And the next website and resource for today, that is dailymotion.com. Dailymotion.com. It's a one video that contains 100 green screen memes for editing, no copyright, free download. Therefore, you can download the 10 minutes long video to your device and edit this video on your software or online website to crop and cut every single meme as you want for your users on YouTube or on social media. And of course, it contains the most trending green screen memes, as you see. And the upcoming website quickly, that is memes.co and meme green screen memes. Here you can find some compilations and collections of green screen memes in some videos, as you see, like in this video. Therefore, you can download this compilation or this collection as one video. And the next website quickly for today is Vlepsy.com. Vlepsy.com, one of the biggest and the most familiar websites for content creators on YouTube or social media, that packed with huge amounts of memes of any kind, as you see, hilarious and humor video clips. Therefore, you can find here some amazing green screen memes to use on your content on YouTube or social media. And now, as for removing the green background from the videos you are downloaded from these mentioned resources, it's a simple way. Just you can find an amazing and a spectacular feature on your editing software that's so called cutout. For example, if we are using CapCut as your editing tool, then you can import your green screen meme, like this one for example. Following that, just you can drag and drop in your timeline, select your video clip, head over this video settings and select cut out feature. Therefore, you can select and check this chroma key, that is select this chroma background with a solid background, like this one in our case green. Okay, and click over this auto cutout. Just a few seconds and you can find this green screen vanished, and keep this main character of your video as you see. So the whole video clip of these laughing persons without any colored background. So we can go back. So now you get to know the best free 10 resources to get your green screen memes that you can use in your video on YouTube or social media for free to captivate your audience and to show yourself as a professional in your work and use trending tools on your industry. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.